Our project aims at integrating traditional bamboo material with augmented reality and making a house design app for low-cost houses in Chinese rural areas. The design app can automatically generate floor plans and building structures based on input data from users.
Our target customers are mainly villagers living in southern China, such as Yunnan and Guizhou province. Meanwhile, the terrain in these areas is steep and raining, making it difficult to transport fabricated building components. Many ethnic minorities live here and hold activities in their colonies. We intend to build up a design system for low-cost building using local bamboo material.
Next, we did a series of material studies to explore our design prototype. We did bending tests of different kinds of bamboo materials, tested the influence of joints, and tried to connect multiple bamboo poles together. After that, we deployed an AR app on mobile phones to instruct the assembly of a bamboo structure. We could tap on the buttons to preview each element and joint. From the material experiments, we extract the original loop features and did some prototype studies. We also attached enclosure to the main structure. With the help of generative design and AR assembly, people without any design background can design and build their unique houses following some simple steps.
Welcome to Vernacular. Please log in.
Users can get access to new projects from other people on the design platform.
Select Design Mode. Please scan your construction site. Model uploading. Please fill in the form of basic data and room functions.
Our design logic includes 6 steps, starting from the experimental prototype to transform them into an organic, habitable space. Users and the system will complete the generation process together. After receiving the request from users, the background system will automatically start the generation process.
Common bamboo structures include bamboo poles, bamboo strips, and young bamboo. Bamboo poles can be bundled and used as the main structure. Bamboo strips are for enclosures, and soft bamboo strips can be used as weaving pattern for enclosure. Our unit design starts from the design prototype obtained according to the material experiment, and we generate its structure according to the different scales of the space. The main frame at the same time shapes the space as well. This section shows how to tie a bundle of bamboo and how to connect multiple bundles of bamboo. In our main frame design, a variety of connection methods are being used.
The enclosure was built on the basis of those previous experimental prototypes. These bamboo weaving structures enclose the main frame layer by layer. Each layer has a different weaving density.
Then we move on to the connection.
We are assigning suitable units for your house. Place the units on the ground and select a location.
Users will preview the 3D space of a single unit through an AR camera.
After obtaining each room, the system will select appropriate single units from the database and bridge connecting them together. The way rooms are connected to each other includes all sorts of possibilities. Users can choose between those different connection models. After the basic shape is generated, users can select the weaving pattern from the component library to use as enclosure. Finally, users can then enter the preview mode to have a glance at their DIY bamboo house.
They can go through the gate to have an AR tour of the colony. The system will assign the location of each bamboo element and make the best use of materials.
New message: you can start our assembly.
There are 4 steps in our AR assembly guideline, including pre-bending, single unit, connection, and enclosure. Users test the bending property and make bending simulation. Next, we assemble the main structure of every single unit.
Press the button and begin.
Users can tap on the buttons to preview each element and joint. After one element has been assembled, they can check the Boolean toggle and hide the highlighted display.
You have finished building Unit B. Please move on to the next unit.
When all the frameworks of the units are built, builders will follow the guideline of combinations.
Press to let the panel follow you. Tap on the joint to show information.
Finally, we add enclosure to the structure following the order of multiple layers.
In the next design step, we consider designing bamboo settlement, and by letting users collaborative design, users can build up their houses together.
We will improve our design and AR app in the following months.